In the previous video, we used jQuery to create a form with which you could edit the first name and last name of a concept. We will now use the KnockoutJS library to do the same thing. First, we copy the example jQuery form and paste it in the same level. We are going to change the name of the form to example knockout form. We're going to make some changes to the HTML template. The main change being that the first name and last name won't be rendered from the server side. Instead, they will be bound using the data bind attribute to a view model that is refreshed in the client side. Now we need to create the view model. We can use the $cjs.ko that converts the URI into a view model, and then we need to apply these bindings. The view model will take care of applying the first name and last name back into the properties. So the code is much simpler with Knockout. We also don't have to pass the first name and last name because these are refreshed from the client side. Let's save the changes made so far. There is one last change we need to do, and that is we need to add a head tag with a meta tag inside it that informs ConceptJS that the changes will be made by the JavaScript and that ConceptJS doesn't have to pop up a save cancel button. We refresh the knockout form and we can see Jack Smith, and we can change it to something like, say, Jake LaMotta. The save cancel buttons would normally appear in the top right, they don't. Let's save the changes, and when we refresh the editor, you can see the changes made in the editor.